Alright guys, what's up? So today we're going to be fishing with the jitterbug. It's a topwater bait. I'll show you how it works whenever we get down to the pond. Right, so now we're down at the pond. And then basically this is how you do it. You throw it out. This is how I do it. You throw it out, then reel it back in. Just how it looks. Alright guys, so we changed spots because nothing really hitting over there. Just a lot of little hits over here, but whatever. And then over there in that corner is where I caught my 8.5 pound PB. So maybe we'll have some success over here. Let's get to fishing. Also, could you please put in the comments if I'm doing this wrong? Because I ain't never done this before. I'm just going off of how I think it'll work. No! I don't know if I'm supposed to let it sit like I do a frog. This definitely ain't no frog, but just put in the comments what you think I should do. I'm so daggone confused. No! It was like a 1.5 pound, maybe a pound. But yeah, guys, y'all saw that. So yeah. Maybe I can. I wasn't expecting that. I was about to pick it up out of the water. But see, guys, I'm guessing this is how you do it. Or I'm just really lucky, and I actually just suck at fishing, and I just got some really good luck. I'm going with I suck at fishing, and I got really good luck. Shoot, I got tangled.
By a bat.
No, I got tangled by a tree. Then you just jitterbug it in. Also, I suck at this, so it's not going straight. It's coming to the side. Come at me. There we go. No! I thought I had a good hook set. So, guys, yes, the jitterbug works. I just can't get a good hook set because I'm so daggum trash at hook setting. Also, I'd passing that. Alright guys, I guess that's the end of the video because I can't catch a crapping bass. But I'll be out here tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Wednesday. Well, actually, yes, tomorrow. And then also Wednesday if tomorrow's not successfully there. But actually, no, I'm just going to do it tomorrow. But whatever. See you later.